Hey guys, welcome back to another episode with the Navigator. That's me, Ryan. We are starting the week off, dropping our first load of the week here in Plano at the Menards DC. It's Tuesday. It's about 3:30 right now. So we got about 950, almost 1,000 miles in the bank. We got a pre-plan running down to University Park, Illinois, to pick up our next load at Smucker's and taking that up to Tomah, Washington. Yeah, I wish Tomah, Washington. Tomah, Wisconsin. To the Walmart DC. We'll deliver that tomorrow morning first thing. Go get the empty. Then get down on to University Park. It's foggy Wednesday morning. We're on 39 in Wisconsin. I don't know really where we are. We're somewhere, I think, south of Madison still. Might be north of Madison. Christiana, Wisconsin. But it's thick. It ain't showing up as thick it is when we're looking at it, but it looks better through the camera here, actually. But it's thick. Been running about 55, 60. So, heading on up to Tomah, Wisconsin with this load. And who knows where we'll head.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall, and I found a way to reconcile, 'cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal. In the end it's all the same. All you can do is play the game. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I deserve to say I'm sorry, so lie, pretend that you're okay.
Downtown La Crosse, Wisconsin. Right across the river is Minnesota A. Animal House. Bet you some of the old timers out there know Animal House. The movie. Nice, old, historic downtown La Crosse. Hey, we picked up a load. We're going down to Memphis, Tennessee. Memphis, Tennessee. Yep. Gotta deliver that tomorrow. We gotta reload right back up here to La Crosse. So by the time we get back up here on Friday, we'll be just shy of 3,000 miles for the week. It's only Friday. We still have Saturday, Sunday, and Monday to go. So should be a great week of running. Just making our way through this area. Grand River Station. City Brewery, downtown. This is where our load was made. Then it's taken up to the warehouse. Mm. 10 million gallons of beer aging. Alrighty, I'm gonna go and make us something to eat, and we'll check in later on.
Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs. Too many things to criticize. And so I live.
We're somewhere here in Wisconsin on 35 south of La Crosse, and this freaking town has not one, not two, but 3 roundabouts in a row here. So we're about to hit the first one. Well, we are on the first one now. Alright, just take the lane, go, go, go. There you go. Jomo's boss, your bigger truck. So still 35 south here. Get over in the left lane here. There you go. Then just go right through. Just show them who's boss. There's roundabout number 2. There you go. You gotta take both lanes, take both lanes. You're a bigger boy. Okay, now here's number 3. Number 3. Okay, go right around it. Right down that way, sir. There's the 3 roundabouts here on 35 South. Hope you enjoyed that. Alrighty guys, we're just switching out here at the Pilot in Woodruff, Illinois, I guess it is. David just got done driving his 9-hour shift, and I'm taking over to put us into Memphis tonight. So, just stopped, did that switch out, got fuel. Now I'll show you what I'm getting ready for dinner. Alright, what I got is some pork chops here that I cut up, or pork chops that I cut up at home before I came out over a month ago. I got it at Aldi's for a pretty good discount. So I got some barbecue sauce in there, I got very little water. Lunchbox cooker, I just picked another one up today. Gotta plug that in, let it cook in about 4.5, 5 hours, probably. When it's time to stop, do a 30, or maybe before that, we'll stop and have dinner somewhere. If we think it's ready, we'll stop earlier. So, that's what's for dinner, and I'll show you the finished product. Hey everyone, here on 55 in Lincoln, Illinois, we got ourselves a overturn of Volvo. Good Lord Almighty, look at that thing. Wow. Alright, it's true. There's another truck laid over on its side. There's a backup. You're gonna want to be in there far. There's a backup for miles, but hey, we found a detour on these back farm roads. So, yeah, it's something, all right. Wow, you can see the truck down there over on its side too. It is a mess. Some heavy winds came through here. Within a mile and a half, maybe 2 miles, let's say 2 miles to give it a little bit more time, we have another 18-wheeler rolled over down here due to freaking high winds. Wow. That's all I can say is, within 2 miles, we got another one rolled over. This one's another Volvo. Dang. And that's a NFI one. Ready, here's the finished product. Pork and barbecue. We got some rice. Doing a 30-minute break. Get back on the road. It's Thursday night and we're flying down the I-55 in Arkansas, headed north. Went down to Memphis, got unloaded, got reloaded. Now we're heading back to La Crosse. Gotta thank Gary and Brenda for this recipe. I saw it on their Facebook the other day. Brenda posted she made them tuna casserole, so that's what I'm making for us for dinner tonight. Got some sweet peas, and got some carrots, and 2 cans of tuna, and a can of cream of mushroom, and some egg noodles that I just warmed up in the microwave in this bowl and some water. I'm gonna put it back in this tin and throw it in the lunchbox cooker, and we'll both have our own little personalized pan of tuna casserole. And you can add cheese if you want as well. So that's what we're having for dinner. We're heading north back to La Crosse. Oh, someone's having a bad day. Looks like a bad inspection sticker or registration because the guy's looking at the van, the officer, brother in blue. All right, we'll check in with you folks later on. We are entering the small, quaint little town of Portage, Wisconsin. We're going to be driving straight through downtown Portage. I like this little quaint town. We dropped our load off in La Crosse this morning. I drove until about 3:30 this morning. Got us about 3 hours away. David took over, put us in there. Taking a load over to a Richfield to drop. Picking up another load from, they officially changed their name, folks. Bolton Coors, aka used to be Miller Coors. Going down to Milwaukee, pick up load, taking that down to Trenton and dropping, and that'll post around 3,500 for the week when we make it down there tonight. And I'll be taking over once we get to Milwaukee. But hey, look at this cool corner restaurant right here. All the stone. Yeah. All the old beer signs hanging on the street corners. Old style. I don't know. There's something about these old Wisconsin towns I like. Nothing grand down there. I've done video on my dash cam through here before, but some music playing, I believe. Nice little Wisconsin town. The roof is open in Milwaukee today, folks, at Miller Park. Sad sight. Should be opening day. Should be fans out there to welcome home the Brewers. Well, I don't know what opening day for Milwaukee is, but it's a sad day. It's closed. Baseball's shut down right now. But hopefully, we'll get the summer pastime fun up and going soon. I know some of you have already seen this, but some of you haven't. So, we're gonna show it again. We're coming to Miller Valley. I don't know why I'm making this weird voice for, so apologize me. I apologize. But we're coming down here through the brewery. You can take tours down here. If y'all didn't know. Yes, yes you can. Alrighty, we're gonna be taking it right up here at the traffic light. Alrighty, folks, this is downtown Miller. Yes, yes, it is. Alrighty, we'll be back in a few. It's Saturday night, and I'm in Trenton. That's right. Student went home last night when we pulled into Trenton about midnight. We got a load we're going to pick up from the brewery in the morning. We're going to upstate Eastern New York with it for Monday morning. But I am just doing some pre-cooking, if you want to say. Getting the hamburger ready for the chili. We're going to do a chili tomorrow night for lunch. Or for dinner, I should say. So just browning up the burger. And I'm going to do some veggies in a bit, and then throw it all together and then put it in the crock pot and let it simmer all day tomorrow. So just hanging out here. It's Saturday night in Trenton. Went and did some shopping, replenished the truck with supplies for the week, and cleaned. So beautiful day in Trenton. 65, sunny, and blue skies. So well, I'm gonna get back to it, folks. This stuff's about done, so I will, yeah, maybe I'll show you what I'm going to throw in it here in a minute. I'm going to put everything together in a second, so. Alrighty, everything is in the pot now. So here's what I did. This is what I put in there. Original chili seasoning mix, some chili powder, some paprika, and some cumin. Did 2 cups of beef broth. Took a thing of diced tomatoes. Gonna throw these away as I show them to you. Some green chilies. Some chili beans. Another thing of diced tomatoes. Some dark kidney beans. Can of corn. I like corn in my chili. And some tomato sauce. It only calls for a little, and I'm not going to use it again, so I threw it away. That's just water from drainage. But we've added all that together. And that's going to simmer all day tomorrow. And that should be some damn good eating when it's time to shut down tomorrow night. So we'll show you tomorrow the finished product. Happy Easter, everyone. It's Sunday morning, the 12th of April. Try to figure out which load. What day, what month it is. But hey, there's that trailer. We are locked and loaded, and we're heading for New York Mills, New York. We're gonna deliver that tomorrow morning. We're gonna get up there actually tonight, spend the night, but let me show you how this load is loaded. Alrighty, you see the small pallet on the right, tall on the left. Hold it good. Let's get on out of here. So we made it up to Weedsport. Put this cornbread in exactly 1 hour ago. Jiffy box thing. Just add some milk and egg. And oh, look at this. Dang. It smells good. I've already checked it actually. You can see the fork marks in there. But made it in the lunchbox cooker, so let me get it on out and I'll show you. Look at that. Even on the bottom, got a little brown. You can see that. Came out awesome. I can't believe it. I'm really impressed with the lunchbox cooker and making this bread. Didn't stick. Perfect texture. Tastes excellent. Just had a little sliver of it. But we're going to get into this chili. And I'll show you how the chili turned out. And then I'm going to eat because I've been smelling this since early this morning. Alrighty. Oh, look at that. It's me some tasty with some hot sauce and cheese and sour cream. Alright, y'all. I'm digging in. Catch you later. Good morning, everyone, from New York Mills, New York. Just got unloaded, got our next load, and we're heading back westbound on the 90. Gotta go over to Niagara, pick up a next load. But anyways, wanted to end this video out. Not really sure what I got for footage this week, so I'll edit it up and get it up later on, today or tomorrow. But we ended the week at 4,200 miles, so a good week of running, not too shabby. Well, change of plans, everyone. They took us off the Niagara load and taking dunnage back to Trenton. Nothing special. Kind of sucks because we're not going to Wisconsin, but it is what it is. It's the trucker's life. So just made myself some egg sandwiches, and we're gonna get another 615 miles on this week's paycheck. So that'll put us about 48.50, 48.90 for the week. So not a bad week. So now I'm going to end the video here. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Ring that bell on either corner. I don't know where it's going to be. And, yeah. I guess until next week, guys, the Navigator is out.